Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna teach you how to make binary search, and I will explain to you how it works and how it is better than a linear search. Now let's begin. So basically, how does binary search work? To my understanding, binary search works only on sorted list, and why it works only on sorted lists. So I will explain. It works by finding the middle value between in the list and search and check one of the three conditions. If one successfully meets the criterion, then it will return or search for the value. So I'll explain throughout the code for you to clearly understand this algorithm. So the first thing we need to do is to import a list and put random values into the list. So I've done it. And the second thing we have to do is to sort a list. So this is a function to sort the numbers in a list. I will teach you how the sorting algorithms work later. There are many of them. And we print a random list out to see if the list has been sorted or not. And the next thing we need to do is to make an input field for the user to enter the number to find. And we want to select the index or the location in the middle of the list by getting the length of the list divided by 2 to get the middle index. And we also get the middle value from the middle index in the list. The next thing we need to do is to check if the input have met the criterion in one of the three conditions. So the first condition is that we have to check if the input is equal to the middle value. So if it's equal, then we don't need to find anymore and return the middle index. The second condition is you want to find if the input is smaller than the middle value, and if it is, then we want to use linear search to search from the beginning to the middle value in the list. And if it meets the criterion, then we will print out the value and break the loop. And the last condition, if you want it to be more concisely, you can write as elif a input larger than middle value, it will be clearly. So if the value or the input is larger than the middle value, then it will return the value by searching in a loop from middle of the index to or the middle of the index to the final value. The final value is the length of the random list minus by 1. Okay. And the second thing I want to demonstrate to you is that you can use the Boolean value to actually return the string that if none number has been found, then it return the cannot find the number. So the first thing we need to do is initiate a variable which is a boolean and assign a value of false, which is 0. And then if it founds, then we will assign the variable again to 1 as true, and true. And if it's equal 0, then we print out cannot find your number. And if it's true, it's 1, then this one will print out. Okay, so now we're gonna test. So we have the list here, and I will search if 5 is in the list or not. Yes, it's found it. Okay, so I explain how it works. So basically, it takes the middle value is from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it will take the middle value and round it to the lower number. So the middle should be 4. And if it's 4, then we need to find from the middle index to the last index in the list. Fine. And if it matches, then we return the value and break the loop. So let's check again if it can find the value which is not existed in the loop. I'm gonna enter 20. And as you can see, it prints cannot find a number which 20 is not included in the list. So basically, binary search is a faster algorithm than linear search that it only search for value data. Okay, I'm sorry for the noise. So basically, it only search for the middle to the right or the left of the list. It takes about half of the time than a linear search, which runs from the beginning to the end of the list. You can search for more information on Google and Geeks for Geeks website, or you can get to my GitHub page to get the code for references or educational purpose using. Okay, so this is the end of the video, and I hope you have a great day and well learning this algorithm. Goodbye.